Hey everybody, I'm gonna install this like a 2-link kit, bolt in, no welding. You do have to drill 6 holes and knock out 2 rivets. It's kind of for the torque tube guys, but I know a lot of the torque tube guys are going open drive. So today I'm gonna do a little open drive install. So I guess real quick, I'm just gonna show you how quick and easy it is. Obviously I've already got the rear axle and leaf springs removed. So this is going to go much quicker because I don't have to take that stuff out. It's easy once you unbolt the leaf spring. And you set the leaf spring off to the side, this arm just bolts in. So that side's pretty easy. The other side is just as easy, but we are adding an extra part into the mix. So the diagonal locator has this bracket and bolt on the other side. That's going to hold the leaf spring as well. We'll slide the bar in position. Bracket does only go one way because I want it to fit up tight against the frame. So you'll see it'll actually touch the top of the frame right here because I don't want it to move. So you'll find it only goes in one way because the bolt hole is a little offset. Once you have both links bolted in now, here I'll get the diagonal bar out of the way for a second. You have both links bolted in now. You can put your axle in. I'm going to put this diagonal bar in real quick. I have the Heim along the way out. The diagonal bar is a double Heim, right and left hand thread, so to make an adjustment all you do is twist the bar. You don't actually have to take the bolt or anything out. Thread that bolt in. Sorry, it was a little warm. I forgot to put the axle pads and the U-bolts on the ground. I got one on the toolbox and one on the table there. So the axle pads. Oh, this is a different arm. I forgot I was making it different. This I now square off. We'll bolt in another set as well. And I'm just going to use this 3-inch tubing That's actually what I'm doing today. Is I'm going to make the lower plates, and I might revamp the shock mount. So that was just an idea of how easily the kit bolts in. That might be a 2 3/4. It is. So I got two different size leaf springs. 3-inch for like a 9-inch housing or any of the other stuff, and then the other common one is 2 3/4. So you can see I got two different width U-bolts. So I will get with you guys and ask what housing you're going to be running, so that I make sure you get you the correct plates and U-bolts that fit your housing. So say your axle is hanging now. I'm going to get in there and double check with a tape measure to make sure that everything's in there perfectly centered in the opening. Again, just a double check. So once you have your kind of axle hanging, the next step is I'm going to work on the bottom plate here. That'll sandwich everything together so that it is a bolt in. So give me a minute and we'll start bolting this stuff in. We're going to bolt the upper bag mount into the factory hole. It's going to go like that. I'm sorry, way far forward. Up here is the bump stop hole, the factory bump stop hole. So there you go. So let me prop the phone up somewhere. Oh, and look at that. I've been looking for that flashlight forever. Yep, that's how it goes. The battery dies, you don't know where it's at. So we're going to do the upper bag mount now. Normally you bolt the bag to the bracket first. I'm just doing some mock-up messing around. So I'm going to leave the bag out for a minute. That way when I stroke the suspension up and down, I can take measurements. If the bag's in place, I can't measure anything. I can't eyeball to see if it's off square or off to the side or. So I'm going to make it go up and down a few times. Take some measurements and then we'll look at some more stuff, weld some stuff, I don't know, make some stuff, figure some stuff out here soon. Coilover bracket in there from Alrighty. I was just taking a gander at the situation. We still want to utilize the factory shock, or factory style shock, the factory location. Well, that isn't going to work anymore because we're... Oh, maybe. We're gonna get some biscuits.